Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to download GTA Vice City. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So to download GTA Vice City on your device, it is actually quite simple, and the process that I am going to show you to download GTA Vice City is by Steam. So if you want to know how you can do that, just continue watching this video. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you through the Steam website, but you can also do this on your Steam app on your device, and then it is a design process. So once you're in the Steam, just simply click into the search bar on the upper right corner rather of your screen, and then just simply type in GTA Vice City and hit enter on your keyboard, or simply click the search icon. And after that, you should be able to see some results right here, and you'll have different options, but I'm just going to click into this one. So Grand Theft Auto Vice City, just going to click on it, and then this should appear on your screen. And after that, you can just go ahead and add that to your cart if it is not ready in your cart. So you should be able to see add to cart. So just simply click on it, and then just choose purchase for myself or purchase a gift, and then I'm just going to click purchase for myself right here. And then after that, you need to sign in with your account. Type in your account name and then your password, and then after that, you will be prompted to click or to select a payment method that you will be paying to buy the GTA Vice City. So just go ahead and do that, and then just type in your information, and then you should be able to download the GTA Vice City after following all the prompts. And after you've downloaded it, just go into your Steam again and then head into the library section. And in the library section on the left side of your screen, just find the GTA Vice City. Just click on it and just click install button, and then after you've completed the process, you should be able to play GTA Vice City on your device. And so that's it for this video. That's how you can download GTA Vice City. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.